So the episode today, I'm going to talk about how to remove the nut, the wheel hub nut, from a broken axis CV axle. So basically, this would the number one question you should ask yourself is why you actually need to do that. Because most likely, getting the new parts is going to be less expensive. I'm doing that because I'm interested. I'm just trying to figure out whether it's doable. In terms of like value, it's not really worth it. Getting the tool plus the time spending on it is comparable, if not less than what it would have cost if I just buy brand new parts. On top of that, the parts that are here are completely broken, so it's not reusable anyway. So if you really have to do this for whatever reason, and the most difficult part is the torque on that nut is very, very strong. And there's nothing, if your CV axle was broken into two pieces, there's nothing really holding that back. So it's rotating at the same time while trying to apply the torque, so it's not gonna work. What you will need is a sander. I use a belt sander that I bought from Amazon. So basically the idea is use a sander to sand the axle because the axle is damaged anyway, right? So you use a sander to create two flat surface on the axle so that you can apply a wrench or something similar to a wrench so that you can apply the torque. So this is what it looks like close up. I did the sanding myself, probably not the best job, but it's sufficient to get it down. One of the tricky part is there are a lot of moving parts. The knuckle is moving, the wheel hub is moving, this joint is moving nonstop. This will be moving because there's nothing was literally connected. So what I did was I leaned this on the floor with that end sitting on the floor. This end was sitting on the floor, so all I need to do I literally put my entire body on it. 1 foot right here, 1 foot over there. This part I angle this way so that when I'm rotating, using a brake bar, this one this was very deeply coupled, so this will be hitting on the floor, and the floor is doing me a favor. Actually, I put my left foot right here to fix this axle, and then I just put all my body weight onto this brake bar. Get the biggest brake bar you will need because the torque here is probably the strongest in the entire car. So of course get your 32 millimeter socket, and after that you should get it done. Well, that's all the tool you will need. It took me about an hour and an hour and a half to complete this. Really, if you absolutely have to do this, think about why you have to do this or whether it's worth it to just get the new parts. That's it.